Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world where skincare and makeup come together. Yes, I'm talking about makeup that loves your skin back. Whether you're heading to work, college, or just want that flawless everyday glow without layering too much, this routine blends skin-loving ingredients with a natural, dewy finish. If you loved this hybrid routine, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell so you don't miss more glowy content. Let me know your favorite skin-loving makeup product down below. Let's glow. Step 1. Skin prep with serum primer. Start with the ELF Halo Glow Liquid Filter, shade matching your tone. It's a beautiful hybrid between a glow booster and skincare serum, packed with squalane and hyaluronic acid. It gives hydration, evens tone, and preps the skin with a subtle radiance. Blend with fingers or a damp sponge for best absorption. Step 2. Tinted moisturizer with SPF. Next, use the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Natural Skin Perfector SPF 30. It gives light coverage while nourishing the skin with macadamia and kukui seed oils. It hydrates, protects from the sun, and provides that real skin finish without feeling cakey. A perfect everyday base. Step 3. Skin Loving Concealer. Dot on the ILIA. True Skin Serum Concealer under your eyes or on blemishes. This concealer is loaded with vitamin C, albizia flower extract, and mastic, which not only conceals but brightens and improves skin texture over time. Blend softly for a seamless look. Step 4. Cream Blush with Skincare. For a healthy flush, apply the Tower 28 Beach Please Cream Blush. It's clean, vegan, and has green tea plus aloe to soothe and calm skin. It blends like butter and leaves a juicy finish on cheeks. Dab it on with fingers for a naturally flushed look. Step 5. Glow with skincare-infused highlighter. Use Sei Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow as your highlighter. This lightweight gel is full of glycerin, vitamin C, and rosehip seed oil, which means you're literally feeding your skin while glowing. Tap it on the high points of your face. Step 6. Hydrating Mist Lock-In. To set everything, spritz the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, infused with grape extract, rosemary, and mint oils. It tightens pores, hydrates, and sets makeup with a spa-like refresh. This step locks in all the glow without mattifying your finish. Bonus, Lip Tint Plus Treatment. Finish off with Summer Friday's Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla Beige. This lip product combines the shine of gloss with the nourishment of a lip mask, thanks to shea butter and murumuru seed butter.